What's up, guys? Welcome back. Woo. You know what I got? I've been waiting for 2 months. That's right, the wheel rack. Wheel rack. I ordered since 2 months ago. It barely came, and I got a lot of planned what I could put back there. I'm gonna put a storage box so I can go to the grocery store and buy stuff, pack it all in there. Whoop, 5 more miles before I have to change the oil. I've been kind of lazy lately. So nimble. So that's the second thing I did to the navi. I got a wheel rack. Wheel rack. Yeah, hard to say. I don't know what I want to do after that. I want to make it go faster, but I heard people, even though you put a new jet car or whatever exhaust, it still can't go past 55. But as long as I get 55 miles, I'm good. I don't need to go any faster. The faster you go, the more dangerous you get. Add some graphic to it. The green look kind of plain right now. When I first got it, it was all nice and looked cool, but now it don't look alive. I haven't kept track how many mileage I would get out of the tank. You know what? I was looking at the headlight. I do have a LED headlight. I bought it like 4 months ago, but I haven't installed it yet. Maybe hopefully this weekend. This weekend, the 1st of October, I think. No, wait. Sunday is the 1st. Yeah. Sound alright. It could be a little louder. Maybe I should get the Heinz and exhaust kit. Maybe the suspension need a little upgrade. I could feel every little bumps, even though the street is not that bumpy, but yeah, I could feel like every bumps in my legs. The plane is going slow motion. the Kabul Wolf King. I still haven't ordered the tie yet. I wanted the never flat tie, but they're out of stock. It's a little bit expensive, but I would have a puncture tie, and then I can still go. Then have a puncture tie that is flat. So the king is out of commission. Wait, is that a word? I think so, Mama. Alright, who's the slow driver in the front? The navi is it? Wanna go fast here? I see, is that, let me see. Is it Honda? No, wait. I'm thinking it's a Chevrolet Impala, the red one right there. I can tell. Must be grandma. Oh, there she goes. Alright, here's the speed demon. 40, 45. We're stuck at 45. Kept going. This is kind of weird when I come the opposite side. I can't hit 55 miles per hour. When I'm going home, going this way, I hit 55 miles per hour. Maybe the wind is blowing me or something, but yeah. Woo. That was on neutral. It's not like my all-6, so I could go neutral. They just left and right, left and right, left and right. You can see my shadow, it's going left and right. Oh man. Oh, little pothole right there. Man, I need to take the navi on a road trip. On a countryside road trip. Alright guys, that's the rear rack. Rear rack. I'm gonna put the storage bag, what you call it, Komi. 48 liter. I can fit my helmet in. I can go to the grocery store, buy me some fruit, chicken, put in there, go on a long trip. That's what my plan is. Take the navi on a long trip. Not too long, my butt be hurting. Alright. Almost time home. I don't want to go home, but I need to go home because I'm sweating like crazy. is my Yamaha R6, but that was I bought it. I think I got it for like a couple years, and I only rode it on the weekend. I should have ride it more often, because that thing was fast. I don't know what's fast for me. I might get a 600cc or 1000 later on, but we'll see. I think I think I want to skip to 1000. Might be a little high for me, but I'm probably gonna have to lower it. That's what I did with my R6. I lowered it maybe a couple inches. Couple inches not enough for me to like put both my feet. I could feel confident that it's not tipping over. Not too low that it's gonna mess up. Well, somebody say if you lower, you're gonna mess up the handling, but I'm not talking about going on a curvy. I just want to put my leg down. Maybe I just upgrade the exhaust. Make a left. Can you take off faster? Hi, kid. Hello? Hey, make up your mind. You wanna go straight or go left? I think it's on. I can't see. Oh, wait. Yay! Now I see. Oh, I can't see the sun. Oh, now I can see. Hey, you look my truck, but mine is silver. Okay, what I'm doing. I think I'm just driving around the neighborhood. Me just driving around the neighborhood. Yeah, here comes the chicane. Should I lean? I'm Valentino Rossi, MotoGP right here. Crash myself right here. Oh, I like this one. Go left, right. Ooh, motorcycle come here. MotoGP style. I'm blinking too much. Here come more gas right here. Lean against the corner. Lean to the right now. Woohoo! 60 miles per hour on the corner. Lean left. Alright guys, thanks for watching. That was fun. I'll see you next time. Peace. This motorcycle is so fun to ride.